Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick list of the top 5 AI tools you absolutely need to check out in 2025. Let's get right into it. First up is ChatGPT 4.5. It's smarter, faster, and better at handling complex tasks than ever before. Whether you're writing emails, creating scripts, or just need quick answers, this AI assistant is a must-have in your digital toolbox. Next is Pictory.ai, a powerful tool that turns text into professional-looking videos. Perfect for YouTubers, content creators, or anyone who wants to make engaging videos without being on camera. You just upload your script, pick a style, and let the AI handle the rest. At number 3, we've got 11 Labs. This AI voice generator creates ultra-realistic, natural-sounding voices you can use for audiobooks, YouTube narrations, or podcasts. The voices are so good, you'll barely notice it's AI. And at 4 is Leonardo.ai, a game-changing AI art generator. You can create stunning digital artwork, logos, or thumbnails with just a few simple text prompts. It's fast, creative, and perfect for personal or commercial projects. And finally, Gamma.app. This tool helps you create clean, modern presentations without using PowerPoint. It's AI-powered, so you just type in your topic, and it builds an entire deck for you in minutes. Super handy for work, school, or client pitches. All right, that's it for today's list. If you found this helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and tech hacks every week.